So this is a really quick partial update. I'm kind of moving between studios. I've been in the previous studio for about, I don't know, 3-4 years, and just felt like it's time for a change. And I've gone somewhere completely different. Kind of have a different vibe going on, as you can see if you follow me out here into the darkness in the middle of properly middle of nowhere. And so I've got this kind of workshop to do some different things. Piles and piles of electronics, and bringing all of the gear for green screen and racks and boxes of computers and electronic pieces. And what's really cool is I've got lots and lots of space, and it's kind of messy, which I really like. I'm kind of a change away from just doing super clean, sterile kind of computer stuff. It can be very disconnected for me. And I'm going to be doing some more updates on art and code and some sculptural stuff with a lot of code in that's very physical, and electronics and experimental camera things. You can see, lots to organize, lots of trash to unpack, just trucked a couple of busloads of the stuff down here. So, new studio, lots of space, lots of darkness, lots of forest, really excited, really looking forward to it. So, I'll do you an update when I started building some of the new things. So, about finishing the studio. Got so much done. Got the workbenches, some of them, which is great. Now I'm starting to rack up all the equipment and finding cameras and electronics and beautiful collection of razor shells that I've been saving, and I've got a load more beach shells and all kinds of stuff. So it's kind of done for the day. It's dark outside. So gonna go for a walk. And it's raining. And it's just beautiful. So I'm gonna take a little walk off into the rain. And say goodnight. So I have this new space, and the previous studio was right in the center of the city in the old newspaper building, which is fantastic. But I'm now right out in the middle of nowhere. There's no streetlights. There's no noise, there's no traffic. The geese fly overhead. Off in the distance, you just about see and hear red lights from wind turbines. But they're actually in another country because we're on the border. So this is a space for thinking and making and coding, building new kinds of things. So I'm really looking forward to it, settling into the new studio, and I'll post some updates of things, but still be making all the stuff on art and code.